Alright, so how one story made me a millionaire. I saw the thing start, and I saw it name, that vlog, yeah, and it start right here. So
First place winner, 2,500.
that's not me. That's not me.
I'm doing I'm a trained history teacher and I'm a civil servant.
That is Dwayne Harris, and you hear him say it. He's a trained history teacher and a civil servant. He sounds like a millionaire already. And in terms of the contestants, it was the same thing. People who just sound like money people who sound sophisticated and educated. Alright, place I get ram now. Underneath a big idol, Storm Salt, a big Jamaican filmmaker, me and my judge too. And then there's I. Alright. Corner, that's me there, cane in a basket. King Nyah, we go sell them out. A man with some obvious dental. Smile, Jamaica. And smile. Me smile. Yeah. God knows how much people tell me that I nah come on TV with that smile I have. Take that. And I am here to proclaim myself, Nyah Uhuru Nation, as king of this island state of Jamaica. And maybe not so obvious mental issues. Alright, bad cow passing through. And we don't want to catch the bad cow disease. The bad cow. The hill is hard for me to climb to rat. It must be harder as a cow. You miss a cow? But one look bad and one look badder. Alright, so early mid-February 2024, this is my road, Bamboo Palace Road, King Nyah Road. Actually, the main thing we're worried about now is me have to go up through the bush. So of course it's been months since I've been here, and me I got half now take through the bush. By the way, so me I become a virgin Dave Rhymes, the river where me I talk about it down there, so we can't see it from here. So. But there's a river down there, we can hear it if we quiet. We don't hear it, but me I hear it. But over that side, so see road there, that side then go down some a river down hill that. And then that side they go up so now. A Bamboo Palace property. Me have a little track where I cut there, so some thief in boy I follow a track here, you know. And I go through, they go take up my sitting them. Intention is to build the Bamboo Palace, and we carry we go right to a spot, and when we reach up a yard we are going to have to go through bush. Yes, so 2024, the year of Dwayne Harris, the historian and civil servant, and 2023 is the year of this madman. And this madman decides he gets his prize money, proclaims himself as king of the entire this island state, Jamaica, and decides he's going to use the prize money to build a palace made of bamboo. And the Bamboo Palace over there, so back of the Bamboo Palace over there, it's more clear. Still don't see how this make me a millionaire yet, right? We'll check part 2 for the answer. Cane and coconut tree. You know the leaf of coconut, right? So I clear it out. When I go to clear it out, and when I done clear it out, I video this again.